New tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for
It's for that same storm that came through Bologna caused all that damage.
County in eastern Arkansas, south central Independence County in north central Arkansas until 9:15 p.m.
As of right now, it's radar indicated.
National Weather Service
That could change.
meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This severe storm was located 2 miles southwest of STEPROCK, or 11 miles north of SEARCY. Doppler radar showed this severe storm moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this dangerous storm include STEPROCK, Pleasant Plains, Oil Trough, Newark, Velvet Ridge, Theater, Sunnydale, Roosevelt, Providence, Possum Grade, Oliphant, Max, Huffington, Gray, Dewey, Denmark. Tornado watch number